that the honor of school people leadership be bestowed upon us.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Mohammad Arbaz of 10A, the boys school pupil leader, having received the flag. Master S. Homer Surya Sagar of 9B, receiving the honors from Reverend Brother Principal. Kumari Vrajani S. Barodia of 9B, the assistant girls school pupil leader, having the badge pinned to her by Reverend Brother Principal. Kumari school pupil leader. We request the class teachers to come forward to give away the class leader badges to their respective class leaders.
Of the literary, cultural, games and sports, English language, social service, maths and science, quiz, green earth and health and wellness clubs to come forward to take the oath. Master Sarat Chandra and Kumari B. Tejasvi, Master Siddhant and Kumari N. Naga Yoshita, Master Manas Sanjay and Kumari Shimani Atta, Master Saurabh M. Shah and Kumari BBS Huleka, Master G. Shashank and Kumari C. Himaja, Master P. Rajeshwar Prasad and Kumari B. Rashmita, Master S. Vivek and Kumari P. Kusumambika as secretaries, and Master D. Krishna Swaroop and Kumari K. Jivita, Master G. V. Laukik and Kumari K. L. A. Jahnavi, Master A. Vivek Vardhan and Kumari A. Arti Saranya, Master K. Ken Anurag and Kumari R. Tanmay, Master P. Jatin and Kumari M. Salomi Margaret, Master B. Nishai Sai Niket and Kumari K. Pavitra, Master K. Yashwant and Kumari D. Harshita, Master K. Saket and Kumari P. M. Sanjana, Master M. V. R. Subhash and Kumari N. Bhavya Sai as Assistant Secretaries of the Literary, Cultural, Games and Sports, English Language, Social Service, Maths and Science, Quiz, Green Earth, and Health and Wellness clubs, respectively.
Yes, we do.
Will you, the members of the different houses, cooperate to the best of your ability to uphold the good name and reputation of this institution by your participation and encouragement in the various activities of the literary, cultural, games and sports, English language, social service, maths and science, quiz, green earth, health and wellness clubs, respectively? English language, social service, maths and science, quiz, green earth, health and wellness clubs, cooperate to the best of your ability to uphold the good name and reputation of the institution?
Yes, we will.
Now you may take the oath.
P. Pallavi, G. Viloke, K. L. Jahnavi,
Sarat Chandra,
P. Tejasvi,
Vivek Vardhan,
P. Arti Saranya,
P. Ramna Siddhant,
Naga Yoshita, Ken Anurag,
P. Manas Sanjay,
Shimani Akhtar,
Jitin B,
Saloni Margaret,
Saurabh M. Shah,
BBS Huleka,
Mr. Sridhar,
K. Pavitra,
Ishan G,
Majasi,
K. Yashwant,
Harshita,
P. Rajeshwar Prasad,
B. Rashmita,
K. Saket,
P. M. Sanjana,
M. V. R. Subhash,
N. Bhavya Sai, Kusma
the secretaries of NSM Public School, country, to my school, and to my fellow students. So help me God.
Respected sir, we, the secretaries of NSM Public School, now request you that the honor of secretaryship be bestowed upon us.
I give you this honor and the banner. Be faithful.
That's Master Krishna Satvik of 10C, receiving the honor of being the boys' literary secretary. Kumar Kumari K. Jivita, 9C, the Assistant Girls Literary Club Secretary, being bestowed with the honors. Master Hem Karan of 10C, receiving the badge of being the Boys Cultural Club Secretary. Kumari V. Pallavi, 10B, the Girls Cultural Club Secretary, receiving the badge from the esteemed chief guest. 9A, the Assistant Cultural Club Boys Secretary, receiving the badge from Reverend Brother Principal. Kumari KLA Janavi, 9B, receiving the Assistant Girls Cultural Club Secretary badge from our esteemed chief guest. Master Sarat Chandra, 10B, the Boys Sports Club Secretary. Receiving the banner from the chief guest. Kumari B. Tejasvi, 10C, the Girls Sports Secretary, receiving the badge from our chief guest. The Girls Assistant Sports Club Secretary, receiving the badge from the chief guest. Master Siddhant, 10B, from Reverend Brother Principal. Being bestowed with the honor of being the Girls English Language Club Secretary, receiving the placard from our esteemed chief guest. Master K. Ken, being bestowed with the honor of being the Assistant Boys English Language Club Secretary. Kumari R. Tanmay, 9C, receiving the badge of being the Girls Assistant English Language Club Secretary from our chief guest.
Social Service Club Secretary, receiving the flag from our principal. Kumari Shimani Akhtar, the Girls Social Service Club Secretary, being bestowed with the banner by the chief guest. Master P. Jatin, the Boys Assistant Social Service Club Secretary, receiving the badge from the principal. Kumari M. Salomi Margaret, the Girls Social Service Assistant Social Service Club Secretary, receiving the badge from our principal. That's Master Shaurabh M. Shah, the Boys Maths and Science Club Secretary, receiving the flag from our esteemed chief guest. Kumari V.B. Estruleka, the Girls Maths and Science Club Secretary, receiving the badge and the banner from the chief guest. Master Nishay Sriniket, the Boys Assistant Maths and Science Club Secretary, receiving the badge from Reverend Brother Principal. Kumari KVND Pavitra, the Girls Assistant Maths and Science Club Secretary. Master G. Shashank, the Boys Quiz Club Secretary, receiving the flag from the chief guest. Kumari C. Himaja, receiving the badge and the banner from the chief guest. Master K. Yashwant, the Boys Assistant Quiz Club Secretary, receiving the badge from our beloved principal. Kumari D. Harshita, the Assistant Quiz Club Secretary, receiving the badge from our principal. Master P. Rajeshwar Prasad, the Boys Green Earth Club Secretary, receiving the flag from our receiving the honor of the banner from the principal. Master K. Sakid, the Boys Assistant Club Green Earth Club Secretary, receiving the badge from the chief guest. Kumari P.M. Sanjana, the Girls Assistant Green Earth Club Secretary, receiving the badge from our principal. Master M.V.R. Subhash, the Boys Assistant Health and Wellness Club Secretary, receiving his badge from the esteemed chief guest. Kumari N. Bhavya Sai, the Girls Health and Wellness Club Secretary, Assistant Health and Wellness Club Secretary, receiving her badge from our principal. The Girls Health and Wellness Club Secretary, Kumari P. Kusumambika, receiving her badge and the banner from our esteemed chief guest. The Boys Health and Wellness Club Secretary, Master S. Vivek, receiving the badge from our principal.